Today we're checking out the ckean Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, a powerful smart home cleaning system designed for busy homes and pet owners. If you've ever wished your floors could clean themselves, this one might be worth looking at. This vacuum features Shark's Matrix Clean navigation, meaning instead of random zigzag motions like older robots, it moves in a precise grid pattern, covering every inch, then cross-navs again for ultra-deep cleaning. You're literally looking at double-pass intelligence here. It also comes with voice control. So yes, Alexa, start the Shark vacuum, actually works. That's convenience in real life. One huge advantage is the 60-day self-empty base. You don't touch dust for 2 whole months. Ideal if you have allergies, or hate dealing with bins daily. The XL base sucks everything into a sealed bagless tower. You keep going, and it keeps cleaning. It maps your home using powerful iLitter-style navigation. You can see your rooms on the app, set no-go zones, schedule cleaning, or just press one button and relax. It adapts to carpets and hard floors automatically, increasing suction when it hits carpet fibers for deeper extraction. Great for pet hair and dander. Pause. Imagine you came home after a long day, and instead of grabbing a broom, you walked into perfectly clean floors. That's the idea here. Now, I haven't reviewed this physically yet, or you might say I had the chance to test this in real use depending on your audience style. But either way, the automation factor alone is something worth noticing. Battery-wise, it returns to dock, recharges, and continues where it left off. Basically, set, forget, and enjoy clean floors. Who is this for? Pet owners tired of fur tumbleweeds, families with busy lifestyles, allergy sufferers, smart home lovers, anyone with mixed flooring like carpet plus hardwood. Should you buy it? If you want premium cleaning automation with true hands-off dust disposal and smart precision mapping, this one hits every box. A solid choice for homes wanting deep cleaning without lifting a finger. Today we're checking out the